Hello together. Today I want to show you the installation of Ubuntu 22.04 on an LXC container on top of Proxmox, and Proxmox is running on a Raspberry Pi. And because it's running on a Pi, we don't call it Proxmox, we call it PiMox. Yeah, let's start. First of all, we have to download our LXC template. So for that, I go on the Proxmox web interface and choose the local storage. Here you can see I already have it downloaded. And so I show you how to do it. You can go on your node. My node is called PiMox 4. I press here over here the shell button, so I'm logged in. And I switch to the directory varlib vz template cache. And I do an ls, and as you can see, here is my template. It's not so big, it's just 102 megabyte size. And what I did was the following curl command. It's this one. And I also tried some other images. If you go to this site, you can choose Debian and so on. But the only one worked for me was the Ubuntu Jammy ARM64. Yeah, and I want to show you how to create a container. I just delete this one I already created. Let me stop this one. Oh, it doesn't matter. We just create another one. Besides, we can stop it. Yeah. Stop. Yes. Okay. I choose the PiMox node and do a right-click, create CT, like create container. Give it a name, maybe CT Ubuntu demo. Some passwords. The SSH key, I left it empty because it doesn't work. I don't know why. Here I choose my template. On disk it's okay, the setting with 8 gigabytes. CPU I increased to 2 CPUs. Memory with 512 is okay for me. Network I changed to DHCP. If you want to run a web service or whatever here, maybe it's better to decide to take a static address. If you want to do it, don't forget the CIDR at the end. It might be the /24. And as a gateway, you put in the gateway you use at home. It would be the IP address of my Fritzbox here in my environment. But DHCP is good for my demo here. The next one would be DNS. I left this setting, it's okay. Confirm and finish, and now the container will be built. And it don't take so much time, so I don't interrupt the video at all. And let's go back to our Proxmox. Yeah, it's finished. I closed this window, and as you can see, this is a container we just created. I started, and it takes only 5 or 10 seconds maybe, and the machine is up. I log in. It's not a machine, it's just a LXC container. And let's have a look for the IP address. We use DHCP and it got the 99 at the end. Can I copy here? It seems so. So I go to my terminal on my Mac and let me ping it. It works, and now I can try to check the port 22, the SSH port, and it's not listening, so we cannot connect to it, but we just install the Open SSH server. I forgot install. And it's very quick. I have an SSD disk on my Raspberry, not an SD card. It's a Samsung T7. It's very quick. Yeah, and I just create a test user to demonstrate the login via SSH, because the root user is not allowed to log in, and it's a good reason for. So normally I use this command, user at -m. With -s I give it a bash shell, and then the username, test42 maybe. Then I give a password with this command. And we can have a look. Normally we want that the user can sudo. So we look what is necessary for the user can sudo. He could be a member of the sudo group. So let's take him into the sudo group. We just edit the group file, look for sudo, and yeah, there is an Ubuntu user already. Okay, let's check them out. And here I can extend it to test42. And now I could log in. SSH test42 at my IP address. It's 99. My password, and now you can see the prompt. It's okay for us. Switch to root, and it works. Nice. Let's check the Ubuntu user. I didn't know that the Ubuntu user is on the machine already. Okay. No, this password doesn't work. Yeah, but for security reason, I would delete this user. Maybe with userdel and /f like force. Yes. Ubuntu. So now it's no Ubuntu user anymore in the system. We can check it with getEnd, passvd, Ubuntu, and it's not there anymore. With test42 we see our user. Okay, that's enough. I hope you enjoy my video, and you may subscribe my channel, give me a thumb up, whatever. It's not necessary. Yeah, maybe we see us next time. Bye bye.